Welcome back to SAP S/4HANA Asset Management Training. We are still exploring the Fiori Launchpad, and this time we are going to look at one of the apps under the Purchaser Warehouse group, and that is a post-goods movement app. I'm going to click on the app, and that gets us to the goods issue order screen. From here we need to select the goods issue, then order, and then we need to enter the number of the work order number. This is the number we created earlier. Then I hit enter, and as you can see we have three materials at the bottom. Right in the middle of the screen we have the hydraulic pump, we have rubber seal, and we have the distance plate. So one of the other information we need to look up for is where these materials are used. So I'll scroll down to the bottom section, and now you see we have additional fields such as movement type. 261 is our movement type. Then to the right we have the stock type, and this is unrestricted stock. Then we have additional information such as plant, the storage location of these materials, and then goods recipient. We can also enter the unloading point and any other information in the text field. Then we need to check item OK if all that information is correct. So once that is done, all we need to do is to click on post. And that completes the process. And as you can see, we have a display log. In this case, it shows the number of materials that are available and some deficit, that is, we have a deficit of 1. So that is how you work with goods issue order. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.